Let's take a quick tour of Done Deal website. So a little bit about us. We're Done Deal website, and we've been building websites for real estate investors for nearly 2 decades. Now, as far as I know, that's longer than any of the other options for real estate investor websites. Our service is also backed by one of the longest guarantees in the industry. That's because we know that we've built a great service and we're sure that you'll agree. But enough about us. Let's talk about what we can do for you. So first off, we can help you to build trust and credibility. How many deals are you losing because the other person just doesn't trust you? Trust and credibility are necessary to get a deal done. People will check you out, and if what they find or don't find makes them unsure if they can trust you or doubt that you're a serious investor, you might lose the deal. By having a website, you can take advantage of marketing methods that don't work without a website. For example, like paid ads through Facebook or Google. Without a website, you don't really have a way to reach all those people. And instead of fighting with the tech stuff, by letting us handle that, you can focus your time where it matters, doing deals. So let's talk a little bit about what you'll get. So first off, you'll get your choice of one or more websites for different types of leads. For example, if you're wholesaling, you might want one website for motivated sellers and another website for cash buyers. Let's just take a look at one of the websites so you can get an idea of what they're like. Let's take a look at a motivated seller website. Now, we're always changing things, so it might look a little different when you sign up, but it'll be something like this. All the content, like all the text, the images, everything you see are provided. Now, there's a basic short form at the top of this that asks for just the basic information. That way, we're not scaring people off by asking for too much information up front. When the seller fills out this form, you'll get an email with their details. If you're using some kind of system for managing your leads, you can have it go into that too. After the person fills out that short form, we take them to this longer form that asks for more information. Now, this is the information you would normally have to ask them on the phone, and it automatically adapts based on how a person answers. That can really save you a ton of time. And when you get someone's details, you should have a pretty good idea of whether it's a deal that you want to do or not. Now, if they decide not to fill out this longer form, you'll still have their contact information and you can still call or email them to follow up. So again, we talked about how you get one or more types of website depending on what you need. The content, as I mentioned, is already provided, all the text and images. Your website is also SEO pre-optimized, and what that means, SEO stands for search engine optimization, and that means that we've done everything we could to help you rank on search engines like Google. Now keep in mind, this is not a process that you can completely automate, but we're giving you a great head start if that's something that you want to focus on. Now a better option for most people is to do online ad campaigns using things like Google Ads or Facebook, since you have more control and you can start getting quicker results. Your site is ready to start driving traffic and capturing leads. Now the forms that I showed you, they capture leads and they're built in and ready to go. You can also list your properties on your site, which can help you to get buyers faster because they can look through photos and details. Your site is customizable, so if you want to change wording, add images, add pages, whatever, you can. We even have tutorials to help you. And of course, this isn't all, but I just wanted to give you a high-level view of some of the main features. If you're ready to get started, or if you want more information, from our website at donedealwebsite.com, you should see a Learn More button, or a link for how it works. Click on one of those. You'll be able to see the plans that are available, the pricing information, and you can sign up to create your website in just a matter of minutes. So thank you for your time. We look forward to working with you.